I think people don't realize or talk about publicly about like how important Ethereum is, and kind of like as a, like a value system that has been created. And if you think about like all the technologies and everything that exists, Ethereum as a blockchain probably will exist forever in a way where it's going to always have utility.
Mm-hmm.
Things might change, like obviously like internet economy evolves, AI evolves, and a lot of new technology will be introduced, but the concept of having a resilient and secure way to transact will be always here, regardless of the technical innovation. It will be just maybe in a new form of Ethereum, basically. So I don't think people realize like what has been built over the decade and how far and how good Ethereum as a network actually is. And everyone is focusing on sort of like the markets and
Mm-hmm.
nitty-gritty details and is Ethereum valuable, useful, blah blah blah, like a lot of this noise that I was talking about earlier. But it is like a really resilient system that doesn't have downtime, and people need to realize how amazing this achievement actually is, and then you can build stuff on top. I don't think people really realize how far we have been able to travel
In a relatively short space
Oh
of
yeah,
time.
yeah. And people give too much of like, they don't give enough credit for developers that have been contributing into Ethereum development and also like how kind of rigorous thing it is to build a secure system that is securing like tens of billions. And that's something that I want to talk about a little bit more in the future as well, and also like get people to also talk about it.
And that element of gratitude?
Yeah, and gratitude, but also like realization of like kind of like this is the value chain that can be the backbone of all finance, the same way as Aave is for lending and borrowing. Ethereum is underlying for all the value, and I think it's still very early, but the world will transition into this direction, and it doesn't need it doesn't need Vitalik, or it doesn't need anyone else, but people need to understand that system exists and it's built towards that direction. So yeah, gratitude, but also the fact that how actually good tech it is.